People say I'm going crazy now, laughing while they try to bring me down. Why they dance a rhythm all around? Cha-cha, salsa, spinning to the sound. Tell me, can you say this to her heart? I'm falling and I'm tearing all apart. What else can I do to make her see? Is there any chance for you and me? Should I get a tattoo on my skin? Grow a beard just to pull you in? Build my body, make my muscles strong? Change myself, tell me what is wrong. Open up, just let me in tonight. Got some flowers holding them so tight. Tell me what you want me to become, just to hear you say I'm the one. Open up, don't leave me in the dark. Got some chocolate and a hopeful heart. Give me just a little sign, my love. Don't let go of what I'm dreaming of. Every time I see you, I feel alive, like a burning engine in overdrive. But the problem never fades away, 'cause I'm still just hoping you will stay. Always waiting, always in the rain, but you're walking with another name. Even when you stumble, lose your way, I still smile for you anyway. Every night I'm calling out your name, running circles in this endless game. While the city lights begin to glow, I'm still chasing something I don't know. Open up, just let me in tonight. Got some flowers holding them so tight. Tell me what you want me to become, just to hear you say I'm the one. Open up, just let me in the dark. Got some chocolate and a hopeful heart. Give me just a little sign, my love. Don't let go of what I'm dreaming of. Should I change the way I look for you? Is there something more I have to do? Tell me what you wanna see. Turn me into your reality. Open up, I'm knocking at your door. I can't take this waiting anymore. Tell me what you want me to become, just to hear you say I'm the one.